friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and in today's video I'm going to be flipping this piece of furniture behind me. I'm part of Flipping Fridays, hosted by Jamie from Board or Bananas here on YouTube. There are many other ladies participating on this collab, so in the description box there will be the link to hop over to the next video to watch their Flippin' Friday makeover. So let's get started. So this is the piece that I got at the thrift market, local here where I live, and it was not specifically something I was looking for, but it was decently priced that I thought I could do something with it. I had replaced my son's little organizer cube where I stored his toys, so I needed something to replace that and still look pretty, where I can decorate but also have some storage in here so that I can put his toys and stuff and have it be tucked away. So I got this for $20. And I like the hardwood, but unfortunately this is not real wood. It is that laminate plastic stuff, MDF or compressed wood type of material, and then the backing too is just cardboard. So as of right now, I'm thinking I'm just going to give it a quick paint and see how that goes. Sorry for the mess. I've just been doing projects all day, but basically all I did was I mixed a bunch of paint colors because I didn't have enough of one color, and I'm going for a light color but not white because the wall in the back is going to be an antique white color, so I didn't want it to clash. So I just mixed this color with this kind of gray glossy color, and then this oyster color that I had from Rethunk Junk, and I just mixed it together and it gave me this really nice light gray color. So I kind of like it. It kind of goes with my color scheme in my home, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So I'm just going to start off by removing the hardware. I typically don't do this, but I really like this hardware, so I want to keep it nice. So this is the hardware. I think it's kind of cute. So I've removed all the hardware and now I'm going to just paint. I thought about sanding it, but at the same time, I mean, I really don't know how much difference it would make. The paints that I mixed are pretty good to stick on any surface without sanding, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that and paint it without sanding it. That I wasn't recording, so you didn't miss much. All I am doing is giving a first coat, so it looks kind of streaky, you know, the first coat type of issue, so I have to go back in with a second coat. So I am just slapping paint on. I am a very messy painter. but I will do cleanup later. But for now, I am really liking the color, so I'm just doing the back portion. At first, I was going to do that a different color. I thought I'd give it a shot on doing it all the same color. So we'll see how that works. And so far, I'm really liking the color. So here's the piece. I've finished painting it and I added the hardware again. I scraped the paint that I got onto the glass here, and I'm going to give it a quick clean, and I'm going to decorate for spring. Since we are in the spring time, I'm going to go ahead and do some spring decorating in this little cabinet here. So I just have a bunch of blankets already from around the house, and I'm just going to display them in this cabinet part. I figured it would look nice and cozy, and I don't want it competing with other decor in my living room. And this is just a pillow from Target, just says welcome. Turned it around. Also, I didn't bother painting the inside of the cabinets or anything that's going to be closed off at the bottom or up here at the top. I just figured it doesn't need it, so I think it'll be fine. So here at the bottom, I guess for this cabinet, I guess you would have like a microwave or I don't know, something in that regard for the kitchen. But I am trying to be creative for having it here in the living room. So we always have to have a lamp here that illuminates the hallway. And so I have that little one from Target there on the corner, and I'm just going to be adding these pillows to kind of hide that hole, not be as noticeable, and also to add to that like coziness and leaning more towards a linen cabinet. Here I have a basket full of faux hydrangeas, or geraniums is what I was told they were called. So I'm going to just add them here to the corner. It's just an odd little space right there, so this will cover that up. So here on this wall, I'm just going to be adding this picture frame. I didn't know I had this in here. It was a different picture in here. I actually used this for the fall time or pre-fall last year, and I was messing with it and I decided to take it off so that I can buy a print, and in the mix of swapping it out, I found that this was in the back of that landscape picture, so I didn't have to pay anything. I just added it here, and I think it's good picture for spring. However, I might change it out, but for temporarily, I'm gonna have this up here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this thrift, flip, makeover, or Flippin' Friday video, and I hope it gave you some ideas on spring decorating in your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here at Consider All Joy, and you could do so by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!